Hello guys, this is Ethan from Jingo Mining and welcome to the second part of Jingo Mining Crypto Mining Basics, where we will cover how to set up a mining pool and manage wallet withdrawals. So in the previous video, we showed you how to register on Binance and complete KYC verification and how to buy and withdraw crypto through C2C. If you haven't seen it or need a review, be sure to click the link above. Anyway, many miners ask me, what should I do if the coin I want to mine isn't listed on big exchanges like Binance? Don't worry. Today, using the script mode mining algorithm as an example, we will guide you step by step through the full process of mining pool setup to creating a wallet to withdrawing coins. To help you to convert your mined coins into cash, right? And in earlier tutorials, we've talked about how to connect to a mining pool. From an economical and practical standpoint, we recommend individuals or small to medium-sized miners join a mining pool for more stable earnings, unless you are a solo enthusiast. And when configuring your miner, choose a pool with a service closer to your location for better performance. And well-known pools in the industry include F2 pool, via BTC and End pool. And so today we will use via BTC as an example, but you can adjust if you have preferred pool. First, register and log in to your via BTC account, and here is the link. Okay, and then choose the coin you want to mine. For example, LTC's mining address is this right there, right? Note, merged mining allows using the same hash rate to mine multiple cryptocurrencies at the same time that share the same hashing algorithm. It doesn't require extra energy or hardware to earn rewards from different chains. All participating cryptocurrency must use the same mining algorithm, like Bitcoin with SHA-256 and Litecoin with Script. And once your miner is connected, you can set manual or automatic withdrawal preferences in asset settings. And when you set up automatic withdrawals in via BTC with your wallet address and rules and enable it, the system will check daily between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. And if the balance meets the minimum requirement, the withdrawal will be processed automatically. And for wallet address selection, here are your options. For large cap cryptocurrencies like LTC or Doge that are generally supported by major centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Web3 wallets like OKX wallet, MetaMask, Trust wallet, and the hardware wallets like Ledger, like Ethereum. So use the wallet you trust and deem most secure for your earnings. For newer small cap coins, consider converting them to USDT in via BTC and then withdrawing to your wallet. Or register an account with an exchange under the via BTC group for centralized management. Okay, and now let's talk about the issue of the authenticator, which is necessary when you need to make a withdrawal from your mining pool account to the Binance exchange or any exchange. You will need to use this authenticator. And now I will teach everyone how to create and use it. First, go to the App Store, search for Google Authenticator and download it. After opening it, log in with your Google email. And then we enter the Binance app on your phone, click on the top left, and then click on your profile picture, select the security option, and then click on the authenticator app option, and then click enable. A QR code and a code will be generated in the first row, and we copy this code and return to Google Authenticator. So click the plus sign in the lower right corner and enter Binance in the first field and paste the copied code into the second field, and then just click add. So that's it. You will see a 6-digit verification code that changes constantly on the home page. So this code will be required when you need to withdraw funds from your mining pool account to your Binance account or for other withdrawals. Oh yeah, by the way, when mining certain cryptocurrencies, you cannot use an exchange address like a Binance directly as your withdrawal address. Most of the time you can, but for some cryptos you cannot. For those, you still need to enter your mining pool account name before withdrawing to the exchange. And as we start the mining journey, we must face industry risks and rare events like pooling's withdrawal limits, right? Or small exchanges disappearing, and Lubian Pool's security breach due to weak mnemonical phrases. So this incidents reminds us, not your keys, not your crypto. So we advise everyone to carefully choose mining pools and exchanges by evaluating their reputation, their history, and security. Manage assets hierarchically. So for large or long-term holdings, use thoroughly verified hardware wallets. So keeping private keys or mnemonical phrases securely in your hands. Security is the foundation of earnings. And we hope you not only gain wealth, but also protect in your mining journey. So that's it for the video today, and let me know if this video helps you or not, and let me know in the comment what you guys want to see or what you don't understand in the comment, and I'll help you. So yeah, that's it for the video today. Thank you for watching. This is Ethan. I will see you next time.